Yes, so today's topic is probability. Now, probability basically it's been originated from the word probable. Probable means chance. Say, for example, I may go tomorrow to Delhi means there is some chance of going to Delhi tomorrow. I'm not sure of whether going to Delhi or not, but there is a chance, and that chance we generally call it as a probability. Before starting the probability, let's go for some definitions which are useful here. First of all, what is experiment? Experiment means whenever you perform something, like you are throwing a single dice, you're throwing a pair of dice, you are throwing three dice, you are throwing a coin, or you are throwing two coins, or you are throwing a card from a pack of cards, or you are having a box which comprises of different colored balls, you're drawing a ball from there. All these are experiments. And whatever the result turned out, that is called a outcome. Say, suppose you throw a single coin, suppose whether it will be head or tail. If you're getting head, this is an outcome, or you're getting a tail, this is also an outcome. Suppose you're throwing a dice. Dice comprises of now six numbers or six faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whatever you are getting on the upper face, we generally call it as a success, and that is called the outcome. Or whenever you're drawing a card, whatever the card you're drawing, it could be a king, it could be a queen, it could be a heart of seven, it could be a diamond of six. Whatever you're getting, that is called an outcome. Then what is called a sample space? Sample space is the set of all the elements which could be the outcomes. For example, suppose you are throwing a single coin. What are the possibilities? It could be a head or it could be a tail. So the sample space comprises of only two elements when you are throwing a coin, single coin. That is, it could be head or it could be a tail. But if you are throwing two coins, the outcome could be both are heads. On the first is head, second is tail, or on the first is tail, second is head, and both could be tails also. So this is the sample space. I don't think there is any other option available when you are throwing two coins. Similarly, if you are throwing a dice, the possibility you are having is whether you're getting one on the upper face, you're getting two, you're getting three, you're getting four, or you're getting five or six. Now this is called the sample space. Then what is a simple event and compound event? In case of a simple event, the event is said to be simple if one experiment happens at a time. Suppose you are throwing a coin, you will be getting either head or you're getting a tail. That is a single outcome will be here. That is called a simple event. Or whenever you're throwing a dice, if you are supposing the favorable case as outcome of one, this is a simple event. Outcome of two, this is a simple event. But when the possibility comprise of a lot many numbers, more than one number from the sample space, then we call it as a compound event. Compound events are events when there is more than one possible outcome, such as when you think that you should get an even number while throwing a die. Now, even number comprises of 2, 4, and 6. So you are taking three possible outcomes from a sample space. That becomes a compound event. Now, what are equally likely cases? Events are said to be equally likely when the probability of happening of event is same. Means when you're throwing a dice, the probability of getting one is 1 by 6. The probability of getting two is again 1 by 6. Getting three is again 1 by 6. All these probabilities of getting the numbers is 1 by 6. That is called the equally likely cases. Then what is the definition of probability? Now this is the number of favorable cases divided by the total number of cases. That is called the probability. As we have done in this compound event, yes, this is you're looking for an even number as a success. Now, what are the even numbers available? This is 2, 4, 6. So, three possibilities of favorable cases are there out of how many? 6 cases. So, the probability turned out to be the number of favorable, that is 3, by total number of cases, that is 6. So, in that case, the probability will be 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Then, a few properties of probabilities. Probability of a sure event is 1. Like I'm recording this video on Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. This is a sure event. So the probability is 1. The probability on impossible event is 0. Suppose I say in a calendar year, what is the, you can say, day of 30th February. Now 30th February is not there in leap year or in non-leap year. So this is an impossible event. So the probability will be 0. And remember one thing, the value of probability lies from 0 to 1 only. It can't be less than 0 or it can't be more than 1. And the probability of non-happening of an event is 1 minus probability of happening. Suppose the probability of A going to some place is if 1 by 3, then the probability of A not going to that place is 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Now let us do some examples. Yes, in throwing of a pair of coin, find the probability of getting exactly one head. Pair of coins. Now, what are the possible cases or what is the sample space? This is HH, HT, TH, and TT. So, 4 cases are available. Yes, we're looking for one head. Now, what are the cases of one head in the sample space? This is HT and TH. One head means exactly one head. So, there are 2 cases which are favorable to your first part, and the total of 4 cases are available. So, the probability turned out to be 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. In the second case, I am looking for getting at least 2 tails. Now, the meaning of at least means minimum of 2 tails are required. More than that is possible. But when you are tossing a pair of coin, means only 2 coins are there. So the maximum 2 tails could be possible. It's not possible to get 3, 4, or 5 tails. So there is only one chance of getting 2 tails. That's a TT. So the probability is 1 out of 4. And in the third one, we are asking for at most one head. At most means maximum one head should be there. So maximum one head means less than one head is also possible. So we're going to have 0 head or 1 head. 0 head means no head. That is the case of TT. And 1 head means HT and TH. So this is 3 by 4. Let's come down to the next example. Yes, in throw of a pair of die, we need the probability of getting a pair of doublets, some are 7, some more than 8. Now, pair of die. A die comprises of 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you are throwing a pair of die, the total number of possible cases will be 36. I have listed all the numbers here. This is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Again from 2, 3, 4. So these are the 36 cases. Yes. The first part is a pair of doublet. Doublet means the same number on both the dice. That is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. So 6 cases are our favorable cases, and the total is 36. So it will be 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. In the second, we are asking for sum as 7. 7 sum. Now, what are the possibilities of getting sum as 7? One is 6, 1, other is 1, 6. Now, these two are different. 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 5. So, total of 6 cases are available. So, again, the probability will be 6 by 36. And in the third part, we will ask for sum more than 8. Now the maximum possible sum we are having is, in this case, 6 and 6, 12. More than 8. 8 is not used here. More than 8 means 9, 10, 11, and 12. The sum could be 9, 10, 11, 12. I have listed all the cases for 9, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6, 3, 3, 6. Then for 10, it is 5, 5, 4, 6, 6, 4. For 11, it is 5, 6, 6, 5. And for 12, 6, 6. If we count the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be 10 by 36, that is 5 by 80. Then next we have a system of cards. You might be aware of, let me repeat the card system. On all, we are having 52 cards available in playing cards, which comprise of 26 red cards and 26 black cards. And out of those two categories of red and black, in red, there are 2 types, diamond and heart, which comprise of 13 diamond, 13 heart. And in case of black cards, we are having 2 types. One is spade, other is club. Again, 13, 13 each type. And sometimes question is asked for the face card. And remember, there are only 3 types of face cards. One is king, one is queen, and one is jack. And 4 of each, that means 12 face cards are available. So this is find the probability of drawing a card. First of all, say king card. Now, how many king cards are available? 4. So it will be 4 by 52. Red card. How many red cards are available in the second part? 13. So this will be 13 by 52. And black queen. Black queen means there are, how many black queens are there? 2 black queens are there. So it will be 2 by 52. So this is the way the problem of card will be solved. Let's come down to one more problem of balls. Suppose a pack is comprising of 3 red, 2 white, and 5 green balls. We need to find the probability of drawing a, first of all, green ball. How many balls are there? 3 plus 2 plus 5. 10 balls are there. And how many green balls are there? 5. So it will be simply 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. For red ball, it will be 3 by 10, that is. And for black, is there any black ball available? I don't think so. Red, white, and green. So there is no black ball. So it will be simply 0 by 10, that is 0. One last example. Find the probability of getting 53 Mondays in a leap year. Now, leap year means which comprise of 366 days. What I do is I divide the total number of days by 7. That is the days of a week. I'm getting the quotient as 52 and the remainder as 2. Now, 52 quotient means 52 Mondays will be already done. We're left with one, the probability of one Monday out of these 2 days. Now, what are the possibilities of these 2 days? Obviously, the days will be in consecutive order. It could be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like this. So, we are looking for Monday. Out of these 7 cases, yes, Monday. Out of these 7 cases, when you will be having Monday? This is one case, Sunday, Monday, and the second case is Monday, Tuesday. So, 2 possibilities out of how many? 7. So, the probability will be 2 by 7. So, this is the way you can do all your problems on probability. This is the basic one. Thank you.